Hey guys, welcome back! Build stages 2 and 3 are now complete, and this is what the Zero Cero looks like at the moment. First of all, I can say that the build went absolutely smoothly. The fit and finish, the overall quality and the appearance are all excellent. In my opinion, 3Racing really doesn't have to hide behind any of the big names in the industry. One of my favorite details from these two build stages is actually the servo mounting screws. They fit perfectly into the servo mounting holes, they're made from titanium and they give off a very high quality feel. Seeing details like this included in the kit at this price point is definitely a nice surprise. There was only one small thing I noticed during the build, and that involves the offset adapter for the servo mount. The instructions can be a little confusing at this point. Looking at the drawings, it appears as if the adapter should be installed between the servo mount and the servo itself. However, that's not actually the case. The adapter needs to be pressed into the aluminium mount from the front. This creates the threaded mounting point inside the mount and allows the servo screw to be installed correctly. The reason it's called an offset adapter is because it's eccentric. Depending on the servo you're using, you can rotate it in either direction and move the servo slightly to the left or right. My recommendation is to test both positions before final assembly and choose whichever works best for your particular servo. Doing that will save you from making adjustments later. Other than that, I really don't have anything negative to report. The build was straightforward, all the parts fit perfectly, and the overall quality has been impressive so far. Personally, I think the Zero Cero is looking really good at this stage. But now I'd like to hear your opinion. What do you think of the design? Do you like the color scheme, or would you have preferred something different? Let me know down in the comments. I'm going to get back to the workbench now and continue with the next build stages, and I'll see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and consider subscribing so you don't miss the rest of the build series. Until next time, take care and see you soon.